Hello kids, welcome to Reading Comprehension with Little Learning Loop. Take your time reading each short story. Think about what happens. Then answer the questions using clues from the story. Remember, try your best and have fun while reading. My new toy. On my birthday, I received a brand new toy. It was a bright yellow car with shiny paint that sparkled in the light. The car had 4 big wheels and they helped it roll very fast. Every day after school, I played with my toy car in my room.
Sometimes I raced it across the floor and pretended it was in a big race. Playing with my new toy always made me feel happy and excited. Okay kids, now let's answer a few questions. When did the child get the new toy?
After school, on the weekend, or on his birthday? That's right, children. It's on his birthday. Moving on to the next question. What kind of toy was it? A yellow car, a train, or a blue truck? I think this is an easy one for you. That's right. It's a yellow car. Moving on to the third question. What made the car sparkle? Its wheel, the light, or the floor? That's right, children. It's the light. Moving on to the fourth question now. Where did the child usually play with his toy car? Outside, in his room, or at school? That's right, children, in his room. Now let's move to the fifth question. What did the child pretend while playing? The car was broken, the car was sleeping, or the car was in a big race? Yes, kids, the car was in a big race. Now let's do a quick vocabulary check. The first one for you is pretended. I'll give you a minute to think about this. Yes, acted as if something was real, even though it was not. Okay, kids, the next word for you is wheels. I think this is an easy one for you. Round parts that help a toy or vehicle move and roll. Let's move to the next word. Toy. It's an object that children play with for fun or enjoyment. Good job, kids. You are a reading star. For more such reading comprehensions, like, share and subscribe to the channel Little Learning Loop.